go.
Today we are on to a beginner house dance moves tutorial. So I've got 4 moves for you today. Now this is part 3 of the house dance beginner moves tutorial series. So if you haven't seen part 1 and 2, after this video, be sure to jump onto them. I'll leave links in the description for part 1 and 2, just so you can brush up on more foundations. But yeah, let's get straight to part 3. So the 4 moves that we're going to do are a jump, cross, a sidewalk, a retreat, and a shuffle. So jump cross, super easy. The other 3 can be a challenge, but I mean, that's what we're all here for, right? So let's get straight into the jump cross. The jump cross is exactly as it sounds. You jump and jump cross. Now this is a house foundation. You can double bounce, which we're going to be doing. The reason I put it in, I know it's a move that everyone can do, but it's a move that a lot of people forget. And it's a good move that you can utilize in between moves, or just to feel that beat. Before you're starting a crazy house set, you can just hit some jump crosses with a jack, with a bounce, and a hike. It's like a hike move. I like a jump cross. So all you're doing with your jump cross is just quick run through. You're jumping out. Make sure your knees are nice and bent. You've got a nice bounce in there. Then you want to jump it across. So I'm bringing right foot across in front first, then out, then left foot across. So out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. Tips, make sure your feet actually cross. A lot of people hitting jump crosses like this. That isn't a jump cross, you're technically jumping in. Yeah? Cross, make sure they all the way cross. Get that bounce. So out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross. Now, in today's tutorial, we're going to hit 2 singles, just then out, cross, and 2 of a double bounce. So you're going to go hop, hop, cross, hop, hop, cross. Yeah? So you go 2 singles, 2 doubles. So jump, cross, jump, cross, jump, jump, cross, jump, jump, cross. Yeah? Arms, get wild with it, go crazy. Chest, just make sure you got a bounce and a jack. That's your jump cross, as easy as that. Next one is the sidewalk. Not quite as easy, but I'd say still a beginner move. So, what you're going to do with your sidewalk is you're starting here. Now I'm going to bring right foot behind. If you want to mirror me, you'll be bringing left behind. So I'm going to step right foot behind. I'm going to step the left foot out to the side. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to hop on my inside leg as my outside leg is going to kick out. So I'm going to hop on my right foot as my left leg is kicking out. So you're going to slightly transfer your weight onto the outside leg. Then you're going to hop on inside leg and kick the outside leg out. Yeah? One more. This one is super confusing until you've done like 2 or 3, and then it's an easy move. So I'm bringing right foot behind, left foot out. I'm going to hop on my inside leg as my outside leg kicks out to there. And make sure you got a nice bend in that leg if you can, get a nice bounce in. Again, so you step behind, step to the side, and you're hopping on the inside leg, kick your outside leg out to the side. And I'm tilting my body to like a diagonal to the corner. Yeah, one more. So you're stepping behind, side, hop and kick. Good. Now let's do the other side. So you're going to I'm bringing left leg behind. So I'm coming left leg behind. Stepping right leg out to the side. I'm going to hop on that inside leg. So I'm hopping on my left leg. As my right leg, my outside leg is kicking out. Again, get that tilt, get that bend, get that nice bounce. Yeah? One more that side. So we'll come in behind. Step it out to the side. Then you're going to hop on that inside leg. Kick that outside leg. Boom, straight out. Okay, now one side into the other. So we're stepping behind, side, hop and kick. Then this leg is coming behind, so you're starting the next one with this leg. Step it behind, step your other leg out to the side, and from there, we're hopping on this leg as this one kicks out. Then you're starting the other side with this leg that's up. So step it behind, step it to the side, and then you're hopping inside leg, kick outside leg, up. Then one more, you're bringing it behind, side, hop, inside leg, kick, outside leg, hop. Yes. So the timing with that is the same as most house moves on the 1, 2, 3. So same as the part of break. So it's on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that one's just sidewalk. So we've got jump cross and sidewalk. So let's do them with a beat. So jump cross, we're gonna go 2 singles, 2 doubles. So we go up, cross, double, cross. From here, for me I have right foot behind. So whatever your back leg is, that's the leg you're starting your sidewalks on. So I'm gonna reset that back leg. 1, step my other leg out to the side, 2, and then kick. We'll go 4 sidewalks. So then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Let's go 4 slow and 4 quick. Yeah, just for now. So we'll do 2 singles, 2 doubles, then 4 slow. 1, 2, kick, 1, 2, kick, 1, 2, kick, 1, 2, kick. Then 4 quick. 1, 2, kick, 1, 2, kick, 1, 2, kick, 1, 2, kick. Yeah? Let's give them a go with a beat, and then we can move into the other moves. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So single and double jump crosses into our sidewalks, slow and fast. Count 2, 5, 8, 7, 8. Double. Sidewalk slow. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, quick. Let's go. Nice. Let's do that one more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sidewalk done. So next we went on to retreat. Now, a retreat is basically a stomp, but you turn it to the side. Now, if you know what I'm saying by a stomp, turn to the side, well done. You have done part 1 and 2. Props to you. If not, while we're doing a live, jump onto part 1 and 2 after this video and get it done. So, a retreat looks like this. So, just to recap, a lot of you, a stomp was this one. I think we did stomp maybe in part 1. So all a retreat is you're stomping, but you're turning to each side. So what we're going to do, let's just break it down though, as if we've never done a stomp. So all you're going to do is I'm bringing right knee up, and I'm hopping on my left foot. So I'm hopping on my left foot, bringing right knee up, turning to the right. Then from there, you're just going to tap that foot down, and then you're going to jump your feet out. Then we're going to go to the other side. So let's just do that side one more, and then we'll go to the other side. So we'll hop in on left foot, bring your right knee up, turn to the right. So hop on left foot, right knee up, have a better balance than me, and turn to the right. Then tap your right foot down, and jump it out. Yes, now to the other side. So now we're hopping on right foot, bring your left knee up, and turn it to the left. From there you're going to tap it down, and jump your legs out. As you probably guessed, that's on the 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So one side into the other. So we're going hop, tap, jump it out. Then you're going to turn from here to the other side and bring that left knee up. Hop, tap, out. This is way easier quick, just so you know, so don't worry about falling all over the place. It's easier quick. Then back to the other side. So now you're going to bring right knee up as you hop, tap, jump it out. And the other side, hop, tap, jump it out. Yeah, good. So one more. So let's just run through a stomp in case anyone's really struggling. You'll hop, tap, jump out. Then hop, tap, jump out. All you're doing is that to the sides. So you're going hop, tap, out. On the other side, hop, tap, out. Now your timing for this one's pretty quick just because you've got that turn. So your timing will be hop, tap, out, hop, tap, out, hop, tap, out, hop, tap, out. Now make sure, a big mistake a lot of people make is they do the hop and the tap on the same count. It's each count. Hop is 1, tap is 2, out is 3. You wait for 4. Hop 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it's on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? And get a little dip on the side. That's your retreat. As easy as that. So we'll smash them out in a minute. The last move we're going to do is a shuffle. Now I think this might be the 3rd shuffle I'm going to teach you. There is a lot of shuffles in house. It's worth knowing more. It's definitely worth knowing more. So this one is probably the hardest one I've taught up to now. So it might challenge some of you, which is good. So the shuffle looks like this. good challenge for you, a real good challenge. So what we're going to do is you're going to kick. I'm going to kick my right foot out. Now for this one, you're kicking to corners and you're hopping to corners, always, just to make it easy. You can do it directly in front if you want it. I like hitting that kick to forwards. If you're really struggling, then I'd advise probably just kicking in front and hopping it in. But we're going to hit it to corners. So I'm kicking right foot out, and I'm going to switch, kick my left foot out. We'll do it with no hop just for now, and then we'll build it up. And all you're doing from there is you're going to hop onto that foot, as your other foot comes in behind. Just in behind there. Just in behind your calf, next to your ankle, yeah? Again, so you're going 1, switch to the other leg, 2. Then you're going to hop on this foot as your other leg comes in behind. Yes, one more. So we go 1, 2, hop on this foot, bring this one in. Yes, now the other side. So we're going to kick this leg out, we're kicking left leg out first. Then I'm going to switch, kick right leg out. I'm going to hop onto my right foot as left foot comes in behind. Yes, one more. So we kick left, kick right, hop on right, bring left in. Okay, let's go one side into the other. This is probably where it gets confusing. One side into the other, that's where my brain gets crossed a little. But we'll get it, no problem. So we're going to kick right, left, hop it in. Now how you transition to the other side is whichever leg is behind, you're hopping onto that leg, and you're kicking your standing foot out. So I'm hopping onto my right foot, which is the one that's behind, and I'm kicking my left leg out forwards. And that is 1, then you're going to switch, 2, and I'm going to hop onto that right foot, and bring the one in, 3. And to transition, hop onto that back leg, kick your front leg out for 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you're struggling with the speed of this one, make it small. The bigger you make this one, the harder it will be. So if you make it just nice and small, nice and quick, easy. If you want to make it bigger, go for it. I like to make this one nice and big. Uses a lot more energy, but looks better. But if you're struggling, keep it small. So quick recap, you're going kick, kick, and then hop it in. And from there, kick, kick, hop it in. Yeah? Nice. Okay, let's go. Let's do the retreating shuffle. Slow first. We'll build the speed up slightly, and then we'll recap all and go over the music. So, just the retreating shuffle. Let's do 4 retreats. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Okay, quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Nice. Now same with the shuffle. 4 slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Now quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Nice. Okay. All the moves. Let's recap everything and we'll go with a beat. So we've got our jump crosses, 2 single, 2 double. Out, cross, double, cross. 4 sidewalks. Step, step, kick. So make sure after that last cross, your back leg that starts your sidewalks. Step, step, kick. Step, step, kick. Step, step, kick. Step, step, kick. From here, what I'm going to do to go into a retreat is I'm going to hop onto this leg and I'm bringing my other leg up to start the retreat. Hop, tap, up. Hop, tap, up. Hop, tap, up. Hop, tap, up. From here, you can kick out the leg. I'm going to kick my front leg to start the shuffles, which is my left leg. So it's kicking out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So we're here. 2 single jump crosses. 2 double jump crosses. 4 sidewalks. 4 retreats. 4 shuffles. Let's go with the beat. Let's do it. Okay, you know, jump cross, sidewalk, retreat, shuffle. Counts in. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle. love making house dance routines. Now, as I said at the beginning, if you haven't done part 1 or part 2, make sure you jump onto them. I'll have links in the description. Go through part 1, go through part 2. It's definitely going to help with this lesson, and it'll just clean up. You've got way more moves, basics are good, foundations are clean. That's what it's all about, right? So, well done. If you did enjoy today's lesson, be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and if there's anything that I'm not doing that you guys do want to see, leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get onto it. But apart from that, thank you